morning, a decades-old lawsuit impacting every public school student and taxpayer in North Carolina heads to the state Supreme Court. WRAL's Naya Harden live outside the courthouse in Raleigh with the next steps in the Leandro case. Naya.
Yeah, several things are going to be happening out here, Kim, just outside the Supreme Court's building. And this is right before they're going to be hearing those oral arguments. People are really hoping this comes to an end. So today, before those oral arguments are given, there will be a press conference by Every Child in Sea Coalition, a prayer vigil by the Pastors for North Carolina Children, and then an online debrief with discussion. All this as lawyers, legislative leaders, and education policymakers debate whether the state's judge can order a specific policy and funding plan to fix deficiencies. Lawmakers and state controllers say the court can't, while families, school systems, the governor, and the state education board all say the court can. If the state Supreme Court sides with education supporters, this provides funding for special education and other disadvantaged students across the state. WRAL education reporter Emily Walkenhorst says the ruling can go either way.
I think a lot of them are hoping that the court will agree, but there are obviously, lots of legal arguments being made about, just how, a judge can go about bringing a resolution to these cases.
WRAL is going to be staying on top of this. We will be here this morning for today's events, and we'll have updates for you on our later newscasts as well as the WRAL News app. Naya Harden, WRAL News, Raleigh.
WRAL's documentary unit put together a 30-minute special earlier this year that walks you through the history of the Leandro case. You can watch it on WRAL.com.